How to enable clipboard history in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn on the feature so you can access everything you've recently copied. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Clipboard on the right side of the screen. At this point, toggle on Clipboard History and the feature will be active straight away. From here, whenever you copy something, it gets saved to your clipboard history so you can access it later. To open it, press the Windows key plus V on your keyboard, and a small panel will pop up showing everything you've recently copied. Following this, click on any item in that panel to paste it directly. Finally, if you want to clear your clipboard history, open the panel with Windows key plus V and click the three dots next to any item to delete it individually, or click Clear All at the top to wipe everything at once. That's how you enable clipboard history in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!